was just on another planet.
Welcome to my TED Talk. Alright, finna do some eyebrows. And put that there. There we go. Finally. Took 2 minutes to figure that out. So what you wanna do is get your eyebrows either waxed or threaded. I got mine waxed because I'll have to go all the way downtown. So the only person I trust to do the threading and the tint that I would get for my eyebrows, depending on how you want yours to turn out, it's up to you. If you want that pomade look, that's all on you, sis. But I'm about to do it up right. Usually I do pencil. You have more control than the pomade. My family been waiting for this eyebrow tutorial. Just so funny. I'm finally giving it to them just because I got the time. So you get your eyebrows waxed or whatever by a trusted individual. Not nobody from wherever you live. From a trusted individual. It can be at the nail salon or whatever. Yeah. I got trust issues when it comes to my eyebrows. Because the wrong person will have you looking crazy. The wrong person will have you looking crazy. So what you want to do is line up your eyebrows with the darker pencil. I'm just gonna sharpen it to make it a little bit sharper. Nothing I have to do a little more. Alright. Okay, so you want to line up both underneath and on the top. So it's so weird looking at me, bruh. This freaking video. Oh, let's comb these boys. Alrighty. Usually I start with this one, my left one, but we're gonna do the right today. Just because I'm not in front of the mirror over there. Alright. You see how that I just did the bottom. Wait till you do the top. It's over with. Alright, that's the top and the bottom on this eyebrow. I'm about to do this one. Make sure it's still combed out or whatever. I'm gonna be patient too. Don't rush these. This is perfection. darker pencil to outline the bottom and the top of your eyebrows. Like light strokes. Not too harsh. Alright, see that? Sisters. So that's the darker pencil, and then you want to get the lighter pencil too, and just go back and forth between the darker and the lighter in between your eyebrows. So you kind of want to break them up into parts. Your darkest, I would say darkest here, like medium to dark, and then light. So it's like a ombre effect, if that makes sense, if that's the right word. So I'm just gonna fill in the middle with the lighter pencil. And it's not that too, it's not as light, I mean not too lighter than the first one. So this is the first color. This is the second one, so you can kind of see the difference. And that one, you want to go in the middle of the eyebrows with it. Now if you don't have like a darker one for the ends, you can also use the pomade for the ends. Alright, see? That's that. And now I even have a more darker for the ends that will make it more defined. This is a elf, I don't know what color, let's see. Elf brow pencil, whatever. I don't do too much when it's splurge on your face products, but for eyebrows, they pretty much, you gotta find out what works for you. And that's that. Alright, so then I'm gonna go back with the lighter pencil. The lighter pencil we talked about earlier. And just come up here with it some more. And then also there's an even lighter one. You can see that color even lighter, just for the front. You want it to match your skin tone, to be honest. It's like a concealer, but is that, I don't know if I can see that. That's a color. So you wanna, where that line is that you started, you want to go from here and go back with it. Now you see the difference between this one and this one. Alright, so now you're gonna do the same to the other side.
Yo, that's classic.
Alright, T. Alright, so y'all see how that is? Yo, honey boy. Alright, so I usually take the spoolie on this one. That's this little thing right here. And just so we're clear, I think it's already lined up perfectly, so I don't have to go in with a concealer and sharpen them up, because you have to be patient when you're lining the top and the bottom. So I go like this, fade forward, and then fade back, and this will blend in those 3 sections that we talked about earlier. I'm gonna do it all the way to the end. I'm gonna go forward again, and then you want to bring that. This is just blending it all in. Ooh, honey child. Alright, now if you want to go deeper into it and do a little bit more, you can line up your whatchamacallit, your eyebrows with the concealer to match your skin tone, to give that highlight. What is this? Okay, and yeah, but I do also have this tinted fiber gel eyebrow by Milani. You can use this to kind of set or just more redefine everything. That in front. Then take that same spoolie that we used earlier, the lighter one, and one more time blend. I'm talking about if you didn't have baby, like I said, baby hairs. If you didn't have eyebrows in there, like hairs, you definitely got them now. And that is all for my TED Talk. No, I'm playing. Let me chill out. Then you gotta go to Snapchat and flex a little bit. Let's see, do you like this filter? Yes, we do. Let's try another one. Yes, honey child, boo-boo. So thank you for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. This is Deja Rose today. Alright, that's enough. That's enough. To mention how you can use this to line up with this part of your nose, and that to know if you're angled right too. Probably crazy. Yup. And that's just that on that.